Hello, I have been given a task in which I have to make a C++ program to read these values which are written with the help of JavaScript and fetch them by using C++ program and insert into my SQL database. And I have to insert these lines such that, for example, I have to insert only some of these lines, for example 5 lines per 1 minute or some seconds. So what I have done is I have made a JavaScript and HTML program which, when I run, makes a log like this for time and some more values, and every 5 seconds it registers one more entry. So you can see here the log is getting larger every 5 seconds. So when this log will become large enough, I will export this log into a CSV file by clicking this button. This button I have provided so that I will export this log into the CSV file, and I could be able to download this CSV file, and that CSV file I will read with the help of C++ program and then insert those CSV file data into the MySQL database. So I will wait for this log to become a little bit large so I can show the C++ program in a good manner. So I think this log is large enough now. So now I will export this by clicking this button, and it will generate the file here, and I will just save this file by downloading this file. So this file is downloaded, and I will go to the folder in which it is downloaded, and I will cut this and I will paste this on my desktop. So this is my file which I have downloaded. Now I will run the C++ program to fetch that CSV file into my C++ program. So what I will do is I will go to the properties and I will copy the path of this file, CSV file, and I will paste this path into my program, which is this, and then I will build my program. This is the program which I have made in C++, and this will demonstrate the project. So now task is built. Now when I run the program, it takes 5 values at a time and then insert into database and wait for more 5 seconds and then insert more 5 values in the database. So I can change this time for the wait. For example, I will close this, and for example I want to wait for 15 second instead of 5 second, and I want to insert 4 values instead of 5 values. So now I will build the program, and then when I run the program, it takes 4 value at a time and wait for 15 seconds, and then it will reinsert another next 4 values into the database, and it will keep on going or inserting these values at an interval of 15 seconds until my data is end. So now I have to check these values into my SQL database to see that these values are really inserted into the database or not. So for example, these values are inserted into the database, and I will close this run file and I will go to my SQL database, and when I refresh this database, you can see all the values in my database. I could be able to see. So this was my project, not project, this was my task, and I was working on it. I hope this will help you somewhere, and thanks for now. Bye.